Good morning. We will start Polynomials Session 6. So in Session 5, in the previous session, we started an exercise about algebraic identities. We understood about different identities, how to apply them. I had also marked few sums for homework. I hope you all have got correct answers. Please tick the correct answers. What answers are given in your book at the back. And we'll proceed with the next sum now. Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. So we'll first start marking our homework sessions here. Question number 8. The homework will be second one and third one. Okay. So as for the homework, I'll go on writing there. So second and third one is for homework. I'll start with the first one in that. It's given as 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now how to identify which identity it is? By cube we can make out this is of the form a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Looking at the plus sign here, first in the beginning itself, if the cubes have the first plus sign, it is a plus b whole cube. Why it can't be minus? We'll see that later. So this is of the form a plus b whole cube. So how are you going to split this? So 8 can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube. Formula, we'll just go on writing and we'll see that we get, write this as a product. 3ab, 3 into 2a into b of 2a plus b. Let's just check it out. So 3 2s is 6, 6 2s is 12, a into a square b, correct? 3 2s is 6, ab square, it is correct. So finally this is of the form 2a plus b whole cube. Very simple, right? Now let's see one sum with the minus sign. So third one is for homework. We'll start with fourth one. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. You just check 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Now see here, why we chose here plus identity? Because this was plus. Of course, everything is plus. In minus, what will happen? You get the combination of plus and minus. But the first cube term, of course, second cube term when you see, it is minus. That is your hint saying that the question is for a minus b whole cube. So 64 can be written as 4a, 4 cube is 64, 4a cube 27 can be written as 3b cube. Now according to formula we go ahead. Then we will multiply and see whether we are getting right or wrong. Minus 3ab, 3 into 4a into 3b of 4a minus 3b. Okay. So 4a cube, 3b cube, 3ab. 3 into 4a into 3b of 4a minus 3b. So 4a cube is 64a cube, 3b cube is 27b cube, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 4s you get 144 a square b. Minus minus plus. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s you get 108 a b square. That means it is right. So this will be of the form 4a minus 3b whole cube. You need to just identify and write it terms. If you won't see here, only thing is to identify the first and the second term, cube terms. Remaining as it is, you can write it, right? And the last one, that is fifth one, we'll finish it. It's in fraction. 27p cube minus 1 upon 2 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Okay. 27 can be written as in the form of 3p whole cube. 216 is a cube of, 3 cube is 216. Sorry, 6 cube is 316. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. So I will write this. Is the question right? 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p is. So minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So our thing is to identify the first and this term only. Minus 3ab, 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 of 3p minus 1 by 6. Further, let us just solve this here. 3p whole cube is so much. 1 by 6 is 216. Then here 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay. So we just do the working here to check. If I see this, 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 of 3p minus 1 by 6. Let's do the calculation here. So let's check this. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So the final number is minus 3p by 2 of 3p minus 1 by 6. Easy for us to just check here. You need not do this, but to just verify. 3 3s are 9p square by 2. Correct. Minus 9p square by 2 we got. So when we multiply this 3p by 2 into this, so this will be 3 ones are 3 twos are minus minus plus. So it is 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by 4p. That's correct. So that's the verification. So last step, since we have got it right, 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube is your answer. So this is how you solve the factorize these cube sums. So please copy this down. So we'll start with ninth main. Ninth main, there are two questions. We need to just prove it. LHS is equal to RHS. So the negative sign we will do it here. The one with the positive, that is first one, ninth main first one I have marked for homework. So we copy ninth main second one here, which is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y of x square plus xy plus y square. It is an identity. Now we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. We will first start with RHS. RHS is equal to x minus y of x square plus xy plus y square. This is a type of multiplication of a binomial with a trinomial. So what we do? We apply the distributive property. X of this term, x square plus xy plus y square, the sign here which is minus of this term. You remember, right? Distributive property of multiplying a monomial with binomial, binomial with binomial. So here it is a binomial with a trinomial. Minus y of x square plus xy plus y square. Simplify this. X into x cube plus x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus xy square minus y cube. So see whether if you have like and unlike terms, x square y plus and minus cancel. xy square plus and minus cancel. What remained? X cube minus y cube, that is nothing but LHS. The same way you have to solve the first one. So quickly we move to the 10th one here. 10th one also, no homework, I will be solving it. Factorize each of the following. So the question is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now it is again applied identity only. This is of the form, let's write down. It is of the form a cube plus b cube, which is nothing but a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. So what is your a term here? So it is 27 cube minus this one, right? So a cube is 27y cube. So this implies a is equal to, or we can write it in this form. Instead of this writing 27y cube, this will be much simple to write. Wait a minute, I'll just tell you how to write it. So we'll write a cube is equal to 27 cube it is, right? I'll write this in the form of 3y whole cube, correct? Therefore a is 3y, write like this. Next, they have given here b cube is nothing but 125, which is nothing but 5 cube. So 5z whole cube, therefore b is 5z. A cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Also you can write. This also you can write. So I will write here anything. 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. No compulsion. You can also write this one. Both are the same. Is equal to a plus b. What is your a? 3y plus 5z is 3y plus 5z of a square. What is a square? 3y whole square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square. Final answer 3y plus 5z of 9y square minus 3 5 is 15yz plus 25z square is the answer for 27y cube plus 125z cube. Copy this down. Similarly, we will solve the next one. 10th main second one is there. This is of which form? A cube minus b cube, which is nothing but a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. Again, your a cube is 64 can be written as 4m whole cube. Therefore, your a is 4n. Then b cube can be written as 343 7n whole cube. So b is 7n. So I will write now 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube is equal to a minus b 4m minus 7n of a square 4m whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square. So 4m minus 7n of 4 fours are 16n square plus 7 fours are 28mn plus 49n square. This is the answer. Now, to solve the next mean, we require one special identity which we had not included in the identities what I had given. So now what you have to do is, after this 10th mean, give the heading as special identity. We have only 1 or 2 sums based on the special identity. So just write down this identity. This identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Right? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. If a given question is in this form, directly we have to substitute into this formula and write this is an identity. What you have to know? That's why a special identity, we only have one or two sums. There's one more special identity. It's like a condition. These are like a conditional identities. Means a given condition is there, we apply this identity there. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Given a condition where abc terms are given, and when you add that a plus b plus c, now you can ask me, if you add a plus b plus c, how do we get 0? Why? If I have something in terms of plus and minus, can't I get 0? Yes, we will get. So, when we add this, if you get 0, then condition wise, if you have in a question somewhere a cube plus b cube plus c cube, you can directly substitute 3abc. How is it? We have few questions, one or two based on this, which we will be solving. So, after this question, please keep the heading as a special identity and write down these two. 11th question, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz factorize. So this is of the special identity form. So first write down the identity. This is of the form a cube. Okay, it was in the form of x cube we had written now. Okay, we'll write the same identity. This is of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus, I'll continue here, xy minus yz minus zx. Actually, you are not supposed to write any identity half here and half here. Please remember this. Anytime which you are writing it in your book, make sure that comes in one whole line, especially the identity. I have no space, I have written it, but please do not write it. Let's find out what are the terms here. So x cube, I'll directly say x is equal to 27 is there, so it is 3x. Y is equal to, it is y only, and z is equal to z only. So we'll substitute 3x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus, it is 3xyz, no? So 3 into 3x into y into z is equal to x plus y plus z. X is 3x, y is y, z is z only. Of first term x square, which is 3x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. X is 3x into y, and right here minus yz, y and z are the same, minus zx, z into 3x. Finally, we'll simplify it. So this is 9. Do not put equal to sign here. That's only because we already have an equal to sign. 9x, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube. 3 3s are 9xyz. This is equal to 3x plus y plus z of 9x square plus y square plus z square, the remaining terms, minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. This is how you solve it. This identity. We only have one question There is another question based on this identity wherein we have to prove it. Please copy this down. 12th one, they have given us x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half of x plus y plus z of x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This part is of the first part of the identity if you remember, correct? But here we need to verify that this is equal to this. So what we will do here now? We will not take LHS and prove RHS. Rather, I will take RHS and prove LHS. So I will write here RHS, this hand side. We can also take this and prove. There are different methods. We will use the easiest one. RHS is equal to half x plus y plus z of x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Right? Keep this as it is. Look at this. It is of the form a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Let us simplify that. Equal to. I will put equal to sign here because it comes quite lengthy. Half of x plus y plus z as it is. X minus y whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. Plus y minus z whole square. Y square plus z square minus 2yz. Plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. Okay. Again, keep this as it is. We'll further simplify. If there are some like terms, we'll add them. Z. Now, see here. X square, 2x square, y square, 2y square. Finally, what do we have? Z square and z square plus 2z square. Then what are the final terms remaining? Minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. We'll write that. Minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. In this whole, can we take something common? Yes, we can take 2 common. I will take 2 outside. 2 anywhere here if I write it's the same thing since it's a multiplication. X plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Can I cancel this 2 and 2? Yes. What remains? X plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is what? This is the answer to that special identity what we had written, right? Directly you can write that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is equal to LHS, but before that put because you can give the reason of the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. I have written a bit small here is equal to x plus y plus z of x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Right? Because of this identity. I wrote the reason there. That always you have to do it. Reason what you have to write it. That is RHS. That is LHS. Hence proved. So neatly with all the steps if you do, you will get the right answer. Copy on this. 13th question, that is we are proving that special identity here. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So we directly comment this part. Let us take this and solve. X plus y plus z is equal to 0. And I will write here x plus y is equal to minus z. So why did I transpose z that side? Why not x, why not y? I could have written, I can also write this as x plus z is equal to minus y, or y plus z is also equal to minus x. Anything can be chosen, you will get the same answer. Okay, so nothing hard and fast rule. You need to write x plus y is minus z. No, you can also try with this form, try also with this form. So I have taken here x plus y is equal to minus z. We will do it. Then we want answer in cube, right? So cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So this will be x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula. Write that x cube plus y cube plus 3xy of x plus y is equal to negative number raised to odd power. Answer is negative minus z. Okay. Now, what is x plus y is equal to from here? Minus z, right? Substitute. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy of minus z is equal to minus z cube. Because always write reason. Whenever you write something from something, you substitute and write reason is must and should. Because x plus y is equal to minus z. That is what we have done here. Or name this as equation 1 from equation 1. But you need to write why you have written. Further, x cube plus y cube plus into minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. We are almost at the answer. Just we have to transpose the terms here and there. If I transpose z this side, that will I get plus z cube. If I transpose 3xy that side, I get plus 3xyz. Finish off it. X cube plus y cube minus transpose this side plus z cube is equal to minus transpose to that side plus 3xyz. That is what we proved it. So that's the identity. Copy this down. 14th one. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each. That means, without finding 12 cubes, 7 cube and 5 cube. So what we will do when we look at this sum? 12 cube answer we write, 7 cube answer we write, 5 cube answer we write. Whatever is the sign, we add, subtract, come to an answer. Correct? That's what we do. But here, we are not supposed to find the cube, but we have to find the value of this. But how is it possible? It's possible because of the special identity. Now, we will just write here, we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, so let a is equal to minus 12, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 0. Let's just check whether if the answer is 0 here. Sorry, c is equal to 5. So let's just check whether the answer is 0 according to a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. That means it is satisfying the given condition. Therefore, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. This implies minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3 into what is A? Minus 12. What is B? 7. What is C? 5. So, isn't it simple? We need to only multiply this with into 3. You will get the cubes of these answer. So, answer is minus 1260. That is the way you have to calculate this. So, I think it's very clear. I've done the first one. 14th means second part I have marked for homework. So, whatever question. Now, if you can ask me, teacher, what if they are not equal to 0? That means they will not give you such sums. Now, they have given here sums without actually calculating the cube, find the value of means they have to give you a sum where A, B, C is equal to 0. In case if it is not equal to 0, given question is wrong. So, the question given also should be in the form of A plus B plus C is equal to 0 form only. Okay. So, I have done the first one, second one I have marked for homework. Yeah. 15th one we will start with. Again, factorization which we have already done. In 15th one, I think first one, they have not given first and two. The first question is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We have to find the length and breadth, which I will be doing it here. So, I will write the question itself here. In 15th part, that is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. This is for homework. Okay, 35y square plus 13y minus 12. What's the question? Give possible expression for length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. This is the area. That means we have to find length and breadth. That means it comes in the form of a, since it's a quadratic polynomial into binomial and binomial, we will get it. So let's do that by factorization. We will write here area of rectangle is equal to what? 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We need to find its respective length and breadth, and that's only possible by factorization. Now, factorization technique, what we actually do, we multiply first and last term. But look at the first and last term. When you multiply 25 into 12, it comes to quite a big number. To find the factors again, it is quite difficult. So, when we have such numbers, what we do, you know, here I write 25a square into 12. I'll just write the possible factors of that. 25 can be written as 5a into 5a. 12, 5 5 is 25, otherwise 25 into 1. 12 I can write as, from simplest prime number I'll start, 2 6 is 12, so 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Is it correct? See here, 25 into 12 I have got it here, right? Now, we have so many numbers. With these numbers, try to find the product whose product will be this, and whose, when you add and subtract, you get it as 35a. So when you multiply 25a square into 12, and let's find out the product to get it as 35 here. Actually, when you find the product of 25 12s, I think you will get 300a square. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if I first factor is 25 12s only, then what else factor I can find? So let me go on trying this with by trial and error. Next factor I will take this as 5 3s are 15, 15a into, next I will take this as 2 are remaining, 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 20a. One possible way I have taken. You can also take this as 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. That is also factor, but product will be 300. When you add and subtract, you 25. That's more important thing. Just check with this. 15 20s is 300. Correct. 15 and 25, will you get 35 as an answer? Yes, you will get 35, wherein it should be minus 15 and minus 20. Minus 15a into minus 20a will give you plus 300a. Let's split the middle term. 25a square minus 15a minus 20a plus 12. 25 and 15, what is common? 5 is common. 5a, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. Now we know whatever is in the bracket, it has to be repeated again. 5a minus 3 again. 5 into what will give you minus 20a? 5 4s is 20. You want minus 20. So minus 4 into 5a is minus 20a. Minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. 5a minus 3. 5a minus 4. Right? That's all. Therefore, the length of a rectangular field is 5a minus 3 and breadth of a rectangular field is 5a minus 4. They have not given in units. Keep this as it is. That's the answer. Similar way, you have to solve the next one. See the next one. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Try to find the factors, because I can give you the factors and I can tell you solve it. But if you find the factors all by yourself, then any sum given you can do. Now see here children, I wrote it at the first instant only this is a factor. But sometimes you will not get it. What possible ways I can multiply here? I can also do this as 5 2s are 10 into 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. You have to use all the numbers. Now 30 into 10 is 300, but 30 and 10 will not give you 35. Did you understand now? Try to use the all possible numbers and get the answer, where the best one will give you this as in addition subtraction. You get 35 minus 35 when you multiply as 300. That is what you have to do it here. So you will try all the possible ways. The correct solution you will use it here. Next one, mark for homework. And the last one in the exercise, we'll do it. And the last one of this chapter, polynomials. What are the possible expression of the dimensions of a cuboid whose volumes are given? Now when area is given, it has only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. When volume is given, it will have three dimensions, length, breadth and height. So expression is given, that is volume is given as 3x square minus 12x. We need to find three dimensions here. So between 3x square and 12x, what is common? 3x is common. So x minus 4. That's all the answer. How? So therefore it is of what? Dimensions of a just a cuboid, right? Length is equal to 3, breadth is equal to x and height is equal to x minus 4. Over. Three dimensions. Why length 3, breadth x and this? Take length as x minus 4, breadth as x and length as, anything. Anything can be taken up to your choice. Three dimensions are there. Anyhow, you are going to multiply this and you will get this answer. That's all it is. Two sums are there. We'll be doing it here only. Second one, volume is equal to 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Okay. Between 12, 8 and 20k, what is common? I can say here 4k is common. Okay. So it is 4 3s are 12, 3y square, 4 2s are 8, 2y. 4 5s are 20. Is this a factorization form? Yes. See here, I have just taken 4 common. 4 3s are 12. 4k common. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. Keep this as it is. Multiply first and last term. 3 5s are 15y square. So only factor is 5 and 3, 15 ones are. You need to get minus 15y square plus 2. So this is plus 5 and minus 3. Split this middle term, keeping this 4k as it is. I'll take a bigger bracket. So this is 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Okay. Between 3y and 5y, what is common? Only y is common. 4k. So y is common. 3y minus 5. We know that we need to write the same term here, which is 3y minus 5. 3y into what should give you? Minus 3y. 3y into minus 1. 1 second. It has to be plus 1. Oh, this is plus. Plus 5y and 3y. That's what I went wrong here. Values are plus and minus. 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5. 3y into what should give you? Minus 3y. Minus 1. 1 into plus 5 is minus 5. We got the values. So it is 4k of y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. Therefore, the dimensions are length is equal to 4k, breadth is equal to y minus 1, height is equal to length, breadth and height 3y plus 5. That's all it is. So there we complete this chapter polynomials. I repeat again in this chapter. In today's exercise, if you have any doubt, you can call and confirm on the same day of the video send. The next chapter I will be starting with number system. So any doubt in this chapter, please call on the same day of the video send.